Hari Om, begin each day listening to the most auspicious sound in the universe. Yoga of Divine Glories, Chapter 10, Shloka 33. Among letters, I am the letter A. Among all compounds, I am the dual coordinates. I am verily the inexhaustible or the everlasting time. I am the all-faced dispenser of fruits of actions, having faces in all directions.
Chapter 10, Shloka 33. Aksharanam akarosmi dvantas samasikasya cha ahamevakshaya kalo dataham vishvato mukha.
Chapter 10, Shloka 33. Of the alphabet, I am the letter A. A is a vowel, and without vowels, words cannot be pronounced. In Sanskrit, because of preponderance of A sound in every letter, there is melody between words and an echo between sentences which can be felt during chanting and which make the minds calm. The sound A is not only the essence in each letter of a word but transcends the word and sentences and flood the atmosphere. It has the first place among the alphabets in all the languages. Hence, the A sound is the essence of speech. Of all the compound words, I am the pair. Dvandva method of combining words is very important among all others because of easy and direct coordination of its components. The self and the non-self as though mix up together and they constitute the world of perceptions experienced in us. But to the discriminate, the component parts are as distinct as the dissolution of a dvandva compound is to an educated man. I alone am the infinite time. Earlier, the finite time was mentioned, that of reckoners I am time. As a contrast here, the infinite and the absolute time is indicated. The essence of both is that the self is the substratum for the absolute concept of pure time and the finite experiences of each moment. Hence, Lord says that I am immanent in each individual unit of time and I am transcendent to serve as a substratum for the total time. I am sustainer. Self is the sustainer of mental impressions, the traits in each individual because of which he responds to the world in his own way, facing all quarters at once. The self is all pervading, and with its grace as consciousness, all perceptions physical, mental or intellectual, are possible and hence declared, facing all quarters at once. Learn more in the next shloka in the next video. To understand Gita, join Chinmaya Mission study group in your area. There are over 300 Chinmaya Mission centers in the world. Kindle Life is the first text prescribed in the scheme of study by Swami Chinmayananda himself. Watch Ranjot Kalra's videos on Kindle Life online. See this video clipping again and again till you can answer the following questions.